Nervous wouldn't even begin to tell what this episode's going to be about. Hey everybody, Quillen here, welcome back to some more Pikmin Massive. So we went back to Distant Spring, and we got only one ship pot, but we opened up packs. We got one that was 50 Pikmin. This episode, we are going to try and get stuff done. I'm going to go for like 60, 70 reds. 70 reds, 30 yellows, because I'm going to take out a big boy. First and foremost, because that'll get us a pot. And I need the heavy artillery because reds deal the most damage. No, I want 70, not 80, 70. There you go. And go to the yellow on it and get 20 yellows because we need bomb. Wait, what? I clicked 80. What? So, no, yeah, 80. We have someone that... Oh dear. Okay, well, this will have to do then. Oh my god, this is the worst part. Trying to navigate this. Guys, come on. You're right there. You're there. You're in it. What are you doing? There you go. Okay, so this is gonna go great. I'm certain of it. Jump! Yeah! The massage machine. That's let's get a lot of reds on this. Alright. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be good enough for the yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Because it's majority. You guys, please, thank you. Guys, they're gonna fall into the water. I swear to God. Okay. Half my squad's here. I hate those guys because of their red eyes. They creep me out. Okay. Oh no, camera. Oh boy. Please, Todd. I don't thank you. Okay. The worst part of this area has to be the water right here. Okay, there we go. Oh! Don't you walks. Thank you. Oh, you stupid idiot. Don't you walks. Thank you. Okay. We got one. The massage machine. I'm really looking forward to use this. Now with that taken care of, we have some bomb rocks left. So I'm going to use them to try and break down a little bit of this wall. Because this is like a bigger shortcut in a way. Run. Oh, you lucky little Pikmin. That should take down the rest of that. There we go. Now comes the more annoying part. If you guys can get more nectar, that'd actually be great. No? Okay. This is a low harm here. Guys! There we go. Let's we'll pick up more of these guys later. Let's get out a bunch of yellows. There we go. Because if I can time this, it'll be good. Oh, fine. I'll go to the reds. That's fine. I'm gonna leave those guys there. And let me climb up here. The first one went a little badly. The second one actually went pretty well. And there we go. So we can get you guys on those two. Right now. Okay. Wait. No, we got one. Wait. Okay. Oh man, if we can just do this part smoothly. UV lamp. Okay. But then we'll go up, okay? Let's put away our yellows. If we have to, we'll come back for these ones later. I need to put away a lot of my Pikmin though, because now comes the moment of truth. Come on, go down! Alright, so I found the repair type. Boom! This robotic marvel can fix just about anything on the set that's broken. That's good because I get terribly bored fixing their blitzers. Now this thing's gonna fall. But then I just usually when I do this, I always throw them up at an angle to where I bring. Okay, let me rephrase this because I'm doing a poor job of phrasing this. Whenever I do this treasure, or a ship part, I always bring yellows. And that ends up making them die. Like, a lot of them die. So, this time I brought blues. Now, where am I on the map? Okay, so I want to be extremely careful not to go into the middle there because there's an egg there I do not want to hatch. There's water dumpers. There's this guy. I better wait for my blues because there's a lot of them. I need him to get closer. I'm gonna boost Pikmin here, aren't I? There we go. I'm going to blow it. Oh my god, game! No! Suck! You stupid! Guys! What the frick? Whistle. I'm whistling them. Why do I keep having problems with my whistle? Yeah. And there's a blue out there, but I don't want to leave my guys there. How much trouble? Oh boy. Hey! Take this back, take this back, take this back, take this back. I'm not gonna get any more. Okay, maybe I can get this one though. Those two are going faster though, that's the thing. Okay, so the ship pot is there though. I could get it if I get more blues on it. Because it's almost at back at base. Guys, come on. Where's the other guys? I don't know. Wait, where are they? Okay, so I have reds over there. And some yellows. Okay. I shouldn't have any more blues lost. I think I lost those 2 blues. I don't... Oh, we got it! Oh my god! We actually got 4 pieces in one day! Oh! It's a teleradio! We're gonna need to pluck a lot of boys in the morning. This is I think this is the day where we lost most of it. The moose. Wait, what? I didn't see them on the map! What were they? Revelations impact. The Pikmin that I did not bring back today didn't all vanish overnight. May well be that they had fallen plates to the planet's nocturnal creatures. An ugly thought, perhaps as they farmed into the atmosphere, I'm starting to react to the cycles of life on this planet. I lost 1! My blues went down! Instead of my reds. What did I lose that? Oh, that boulder. So, basically, I lost over half the Pikmin I sprouted. Joy! Cool. Awesome. Okay. But we have 6 pots remaining. I am not confident I can get all of them. I can get maybe 2 to 3. Yeah. Next time, we will finish that up. Alright, see you guys then. Crowman, land out.